വെൽക്കം ടു ഷാലൂസ് കിച്ചൻ. ഇന്ന് നമുക്കൊരു സ്ട്രോബെറി ഷേക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
We're going to show how to make strawberry shake. So, let us see the ingredients. Strawberry 1 bowl and banana 1 bowl, cashew nut 1 bowl, milk 1 bowl and sugar half bowl. We had put everything, all the ingredients, whatever we showed before, and now we're going to show about the mixture. So let us mix it. So that's already the strawberry shake. See how tasty it looks. It looks like the mouth is filled with water. So if you like our channel, then please don't forget to comments and pop our likes. Thank you for watching our channel. Bye. If you like our strawberry banana milkshake, then try to make it